Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate to Linode APIs using personal access tokens. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To authenticate to Linode APIs using personal access tokens, begin by logging into your Linode account. Navigate to the API tokens section within your account settings. Click on the Create a Personal Access Token button. Provide a meaningful label for your token, which will help you recognize its purpose later. Set the desired permissions for the token based on your needs. Make sure to enable the token for the appropriate scopes, such as read or write. Once you have configured the settings, click the Create Token button. Your new personal access token will be displayed on the screen. Copy the token immediately, as it won't be shown again for security reasons. Open a tool such as Postman or your command line interface. Set up your request to the Linode API endpoint you wish to access. In the Headers section of your request, add a new header. Label the header Authorization. For the value, type bearer followed by a space and then paste your personal access token. Ensure your API request is correctly formatted and contains all necessary information. Send the request to the Linode API. If everything is set up correctly, you should receive a successful response from the API. Now you can interact with Linode services using your personal access token securely. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.